Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami, bringing you the heat, honey. I neutralize, I fix, I destroy. Let's get it.
Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Ooh. Hi. How are you? Listen, I'm sorry to ambush you guys, right? I've got a YouTube channel and I go around asking couples questions. Is it okay if I ask you guys questions?
What kind of question?
Like a couples quiz.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Yes, it's fine.
All right. Name?
Sandile.
And?
Kiamukhet.
How long have you guys been together?
We've been dating for a year.
A year.
Yes. Tomorrow is our anniversary.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. What are you guys doing for your anniversary?
I want to take her out.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. But do you trust her though?
Yeah,
On
I
a scale
trust
of
her.
1 to 10?
8.
8.
Yeah, give her 8.
What's happening with the other two?
Why 8?
Too. She's been acting dodgy, you know.
Really?
So, but like I
What's-
still trust her.
What's dodgy?
No. I dodgy. She doesn't want the phone. You see, I even was snatching it now before you guys came.
Yeah.
We're busy with the phone.
Wow, girl. What do you have to say to that?
No comment.
No
Honestly.
comment.
How
Okay.
about home?
Do you trust him though?
Yes, I trust him.
100%?
100%.
You've never been suspicious of cheating or anything?
Ever.
All right. Then would you guys be okay with switching phones?
Wait, what?
Switching phones.
Okay. I don't mind.
You don't mind?
Because I'm not
You don't mind?
Yeah, we don't mind.
Okay.
Honestly, what's
All right. Cell phones then. I hope you're not projecting. Hi.
Iphone yakho.
no.
Iphone level iphone namhlanje ekseni.
Oh, he has another phone.
Yes, I don't know this phone.
Why do you have an extra phone?
I'm a businessman, you know.
So
Can't do
Okay,
so I have
whoa,
2
mara
phones.
lena yona iphuma phi le?
Oh,
Why
le
ngiqala
dali
ukuyibona?
we'll check all 3.
All 3.
We'll check all 3.
Okay.
We'll check all 3.
Ikhona enye.
Hayi Kenya.
Are you sure? All right. Okay, we'll start with your phone, right? Which one? I'm confused now. Which one is it?
This one is mine.
Do you have a password?
No.
All right. Can I go in between you guys, please?
No problem.
All right.
Elivule.
Oh, guys, please turn. I'm so sorry. Lighting is important. Oh, goodness. At some point, I need to stop. Okay, this side. All right. Thank you. Okay, go to his... Oh, we're starting with yours. My bad. I'm
Yes,
confused.
yes, mine.
Okay, WhatsApp, na?
Okay, what's up?
Okay, type I love you.
You.
That's why first. I'm not cheating, dude.
We hope so.
I know so.
Hey.
That's
Yabas,
you,
won't
Musa.
get around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know them. These are friends. Yeah.
Okay, delete.
What else?
Type I miss you.
Miss you. I miss you. Let's see. Yeah? She's clean. She's
Okay,
clean.
you're not done.
What else?
Type morning after pull.
Morning after pill. Nah,
No, there's nothing.
there's nothing.
All right, delete and type thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for what? Even.
Who's doing your girl favors? It could be only be another man.
Wow, there's nothing wrong with that.
What? Another man doing you favors?
Yeah.
Nah, there's nothing on here.
Okay, there's nothing.
Yeah,
Okay, type babe.
babe. Okay. Babe, the only babe I see is a friend. It's only a
And
friend.
you.
And
Show
me.
side.
Okay.
How but who?
Delete and type last night.
Last night. Nah, still nothing.
Oh?
Only me.
Yeah.
Only me.
Okay, delete,
it's
type
only me.
arrived. Do you have Instagram or Facebook?
Yeah, I have Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah,
Clean again.
clean.
Okay, go on her Instagram. We're checking her DMs.
Okay, Insta. DMs.
Just scroll. If there's anything dodgy, just...
Bantam.
Nothing.
Who's Tabo?
That was just a friend.
Do you know him?
You know about Instagram right now, but some guys comment. Ha.
Hey, Ntombazane. Okay. Nah, clean.
Yeah, no, she's clean. All right, congra. Okay, just give me one. We'll start with one. Do you have a password?
Yeah.
Right. What's happening?
Okay.
Can we have space?
Ah, been
Whoa.
We want to see what?
Whoa.
Okay, I type I love you.
Ubamzandile.
That's just a friend.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But with the same profile picture as the Zandile on my phone.
Do you know Zandi?
Zandile is my friend.
Hectic. Go into the chat. Let's go
Because
into
I want
pictures.
number, ni profile picture, everything.
Yeah.
I love you. Bogu Pizol. You can't say that. You left early. You left early. Uthi mama kuyakubiza endlini.
Yeah, feeling I
You were
in
going to
the
Zandi,
street.
and then
In the
Zandi.
street.
But last night, Lana. Ulalep, Sandin.
Hey. Hey.
Oh my God.
Zandile
Go into media and see what kind of pictures they send each other.
Sandi.
Okay.
And then this.
What kind of pictures is she sending you?
No.
It's phone, phela. Yini
What's
man.
this?
Who's Zandi?
Yabona nani man. Seningimoshele
Send la man-
Yabona izinto
Who's
eningi.
Zandi?
Nudes.
Hayi. Let's phone. Mina ngicela ifone.
Wait.
Hayi man.
Zandi is your friend.
Yeah, it's just a friend.
Why is she
Okay.
sending you nudes?
Why is she sending you nudes and she's my friend?
Uyo ngisendela mina
And the last
ngumceli
time I
mina
checked-
ngisendela.
Last time I
Mina
checked,
ngicela ifoni
uZandile umaze ngami.
Uthiyama ume kancane.
uZandile umaze ngami. So,
Asikisa amakayi mina ngicela
don't.
ifoni yami.
Mawuthi askisi usho ukuthini?
Hayi ngicela ifoni yami.
What does that askisi mean?
Let's phone yami.
Mina ngicela nje ungiphendule that question ukuthi i-askisi usho ukuthini, meaning you're confirming ukuthi yavele umngani wami ngijola naye.
Wakho ngisukele yena.
Oh.
So iqale nini le ndaba?
Few months back.
Umngani wami. Ama nudes.
So
Ulale episode.
Anginale endlini.
Kanjani akhuluma nge last night la?
Man, let's tell phone.
That's all you have to say. Is that all you have to say?
Phone yami.
That's all you have to say.
Phone.
Zandile girl.
Okay.
Amfonile.
Ngifuna angibuze, angitshele
Okay.
kahle kahle.
Phone, please.
Lento enifuna ukuyizwa ngizoyizwa. Foneleni ngizoyizwa ngithi ngifuna ukuyizwa. Ethi phone yami uthi uqedile.
Ngikutrust kangaka.
Mama was
Wena ubhizi nge-8 out of 10.
son. Ngicela ifoni yami. Phone.
Yebo.
Hello.
Hello.
Ngikhuluma noZandile.
Yebo, ukhuluma naye.
Ukhuluma nomngani wakho uKiya. So I don't understand, Chomi, what's going on wena nomuntu wami uSandile?
Kuphi?
Awujoli noSandile.
Ngithola naye.
Kanjani manje? Uwazi kahle ukuthi ngijola naye me and you are friends but you do that like kanjani?
Hayi wachoma zange wathi umfuni.
Yeah, no, but then you can't do that. You cannot do that.
Kodwa
Ukuphi?
nje nawe chomi ngabe umfaki nemtheko umbophi.
Awume kancane. Okay.
Ukuthi ngumuntu kakiya mina.
Hold on kancane. Please tell me something. Beka kuphi izona ebusuku? Because uphume kithi. Athi umama kuyambiza.
Ungabuzi yena ubuza mina.
Uthi kumama yakhe but mina ngibona i-text yakho naye ikhuluma nga last night.
Yebo wena ungena kuphi wena?
What do you mean?
Hayibo. Yazini ay okay. No.
Bona ungidakelo.
No.
Into engekho.
No, it's okay. Sokhuluma sharp.
Sick. Oh.
This girl. What a barbarian.
A whole friend.
No, that's not your friend.
Yeah.
So you've lost 2 people today. I think cut her off
Yeah,
and
no.
cut him off.
Ngicela le phone le enye.
Please give
I'm
me-
very curious about that one. Why can't ngiyibona namhlanje?
Ngicela futhi na ifoni yami. Ngicela izinto zami.
Why
Uthi
can't
itholile
ngiyibona
into
namhlanje le?
Maka uyitholile into
I don't think it's worth it. Here you go.
Yeah, itholile.
So
into
your relationship is over. Are you okay with that, right?
I'm not okay, but it's fine.
It's fine.
Anniversary tomorrow and you're saying it's fine.
What do you want to stay?
It's fine.
Oh hell no.
Yeah.
I know my worth. Nah, it's fine.
Okay, go your separate ways, guys. I'm sorry to ruin your day.
Anyway, bye.
It was hectic.
Sure.
All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. My name is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat always. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later.
Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyamporo ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but Nengan.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?